In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to fix connecting RCS chat in Google Messages. For sure, ensure that your device has an active data connection. RCS call chat requires an internet connection to function properly. Next, open the Google Messages app on your device. While in a conversation thread, tap on the three dots menu icon usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Or you can click on the Options menu under the message. Select Switch to SMS. This action will switch the messages from RCS to SMS. After switching to SMS, try resending the message again. Always ensure that your device has a stable internet connection. You may need to connect to the Wi-Fi or check your mobile data settings. If the issue persists, you can try reactivating RCS chat by going to the settings or the options you clicked before. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.